Om Shri Sai Ram. Dear students, there's a girl by the tracks. Today is the final part we are going to go through. It's mainly the answers to the comprehension questions which I gave you last time. The first question, how did the tempo driver help Baleshwar? Baleshwar began to lose hope when no driver would stop to help him. Remember, he was waiting by the roadside. Nobody was helping him. Fortunately, a tempo driver stopped and took Baleshwar and Roma to a nearby hospital. After the basic first aid, the tempo driver took them to Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital. He also lent his mobile to Baleshwar so that he could phone Roma's brother. So remember, when you have to answer in 2 or 3 sentences, there is no need to go into details. There is no need to write that the first hospital, they could not treat her because it was a very small hospital. They did not have enough personnel, so they advised them to take her to another hospital. All that is not required. But if the same question was given to be answered in 5 or 6 sentences, then you should write more details. But when you are asked to write in 2 or 3 sentences only, just write the main answer only. So what are the 2 ways in which he helped? He gave a ride to Baleshwar and Roma. He took them in his truck, and secondly, he even gave them his mobile. So make sure you have those 2 in your answer. Question number 2, Baleshwar had a good memory. Do you agree with this? Give an example to support your view. Yes, Baleshwar had a good memory. Roma gave him her brother's name and phone number before she lost consciousness. Again, Baleshwar quickly memorized it and was able to contact Dinesh and inform him about the accident. Remember, when everything is normal, if somebody tells you a phone number, it is not at all easy to remember it. Here, he is all stressed out. He is having this girl who is bleeding. In spite of all that stress, he is able to remember the phone number, which means that he has got a very good memory. If Baleshwar had not come forward to help Roma, what could have happened to her? Roma had fallen off a speeding train. She was injured, bleeding, and had lost consciousness, all bad things. If Baleshwar had not come forward and taken her to the hospital in time, she could have bled to death because she was unconscious. She would have kept bleeding and she could never have recovered, and by the time somebody found her, it might have been too late because she was in between 2 stations. It's not a frequently visited place. Now the extracts. 4th, Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? Who is the Chacha? Chacha is the tempo driver. Who did the speaker want to speak to? The speaker wanted to speak to Roma's brother Dinesh because Roma had told him about her brother. What did he want to speak to him about? He wanted to inform him about Roma's accident. Take the girl to Airoli, suggested the cop. There's a hospital there. What had happened to the girl? The girl had fallen off a speeding train and was injured and bleeding. Why did Baleshwar not agree to this? Airoli was 10 kilometers away and Baleshwar felt that it would take a lot of time to get there because she was bleeding. They have to get her somewhere quickly. What did he do instead? He took Roma to a small hospital which was much closer. Number 6, 5 or 6 sentences. The Dalai Lama says, love and compassion are the true religions to me. But to develop this, we do not need to believe in any religion. Does this relate to the lesson, There's a Girl by the Tracks? Baleshwar Mishra did not know Roma, but he felt compassion for her when he saw her lying by the tracks. Lot of us feel compassion, but we don't do anything about it. That's almost as good as not feeling compassion. Unless we do something when we feel compassion, what is the use? He pulled the emergency train and jumped off the train to help her. He risked his life. Can you imagine jumping off a moving train? You can actually hurt yourself very badly. You can even die. He risked his life when he jumped off the moving train. He carried her to the roadside and took her to the hospital with the help of a tempo driver. He contacted her brother and informed him about the accident. He did everything right. He did all this without expecting anything in return. His action shows us that love and compassion to others is the true religion. Next question. Baleshwar felt that people of Mumbai were afraid. What were they afraid of in his opinion? When Baleshwar saw Roma lying by the tracks, he immediately pulled the emergency chain. He expected other passengers would also be willing to help, but no one volunteered, not even one. Later, when he requested the motorist to help him take her to the hospital, nobody stopped either. Finally, a tempo driver helped him. In his opinion, the people of Mumbai were afraid of getting involved in some police case or court case if they helped. So these are the questions and answers. I hope you had already written the answers. Then you can cross-check, and if you got anything wrong, you could correct them. Please study the entire lesson thoroughly. It would be a good idea to answer all the questions which are given after each section. Also, all the grammar exercises at the end of the lesson should be completed. Again, if you have not started already, you should have a separate notebook for grammar and composition. This lesson will not be taught again, mainly because we may not have the time. So it is your responsibility to learn it. Now remember, if you look at the textbook from page 30 to 40, there are a whole bunch of exercises. Really interesting, useful exercises. Please do all of them. Don't omit anything. From page 30 to 40, there is vocabulary, there are fill in the blanks, there's even a listening comprehension. On page 33, what you can do is ask your father or your brother, whoever is there in the house, to read the comprehension which is given at the back, and then you listen and then you answer the questions. That would be a good exercise for you to understand English. Apart from that, there's some speak well exercises where you can role play with your friends. You can be Roma and your friends can be somebody, your family members or neighbors, and you can all pretend and do the role play. You can also practice letter writing. You can pretend to be Baleshwar or Roma and write a letter to somebody, your parents or somebody else, about what happened. So all these exercises can be done. Practice letter writing is also there. And also how to speak nicely, politely. And there are some really good grammar exercises too. So I really would like you all to do all the exercises. Don't omit a single one from page 30 to 40, 10 pages. It should take you not more than 2-3 hours. And remember, every day you should spend a minimum of 2 hours in this with this subject so that you get proficient in it. Reading, writing, speaking, all that needs to be done. What is the use of finishing your SSLC and not being able to speak fluently, confidently? So all these exercises are meant for you to comprehend, complete, so that you become better at the subject. So that's it for today. Thank you very much, dear students, and Sai Ram.